common for fractions and ratios to be mixed in a question. Let's look at this example. Anne and Bob share £240 in a ratio of 3 to 5. Anne gave half of her shares to Colin. Bob gave a tenth of his share to Colin. What fraction of the 240 did Colin receive? So, ratio of Anne to Bob is 3 to 5, and the total money is 240. So if we add the shares together, we have 8 shares altogether, which represents 240, which is the total amount of money. So from there, we find out what is one share equal to by dividing 240 by 8, which gives us £30. So every one share represents £30. So in that case, if we multiply 30 by 3, we get 90, that's Anne's shares. Multiply 30 by 5 and we get 150, which is Bob's share. Now Anne gave half of her share to Colin, so half of 90 is £45. And then it says Bob gave a tenth of his share to Colin, which is equivalent to £15. So if we add these two together, 45 plus 15 is equal to £60, and that is the total amount of money Colin received. But pay very close attention to the question. It says what fraction of the 240 did Colin receive, not what amount. So the fraction he received was 60 over 240. And if we simplify that, we can divide both by 10 and we get 6 over 24. We can simplify it once again and we get 1 over 4. So he gets a quarter of the £240.